So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the McDonald's app not working. So first of all, you will need to go to your app store, and from your app store you can see on the search bar, which will be in the bottom right corner, search games, apps, stories and more. So just type out McDonald's and you can see some of the options like the McDonald's. You can see McDonald's Germany, so it may be specific. There may be a specific app for your country, so just download that instead of going through the more standard McDonald's app. And you can see some other options underneath. That's not really important, so download this app. If you have the update button on here, make sure to update the app as well. So once you've downloaded the app, you can find it on here. So on here, open it up. You will see at the bottom, home, my M, food, restaurant, and more. Under the more page, you will see the option to log in or sign up. So if you're not sure how to create an account to use the app properly, you can check out a video on the channel that explains it. But you can also log in, and I suggest you do that since using the McDonald's app is much easier when you have your account and you're logged in. From here, you can see some password security, communication settings, and many more. And you can always check on your account progress and points in the app. If it's still not working, I suggest you go to your communication settings and talk with McDonald's about the app itself, or give them feedback through the mcdonalds.com and some other customer service websites. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on McDonald's or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.